Funny thing is, I just did a hot bird, but it didn't have the name in the back of it. But this one does. It says hot bird. That's what. Well, it's called blurry bird now. Come on, man. All right, we know what it is now. This is hot bird. They call it the mellow yellow hot bird. No, they just call it the hot bird. It's white and red and blue. This is Race Crews red, white, and blue collection. And this definitely is a patriotic car, which in my opinion looks so sweet. And it's in mint condition, like most of my cars, or if not all of my cars that are out of the box. No flaws. And this is a long video. Sorry, Dory. Dory is very sorry. See you later. See you on the next video.